Innovation at Superior.
Scientists at Superior University are developing hydrogel to repair bones. Dr. Syed Ahmed Shah, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, is determined to develop an efficient and cost-effective solution for bone tissue repair. Each year, an estimated 1.5 million individuals suffer a fracture due to bone diseases. People in old age group are the most affected ones. Bone tissue repairing is a complex process that involves several steps. Bone tissue has an inherent ability to regenerate and repair itself after deformations. But sometimes bones lose the ability to repair and regenerate themselves. Severe bone defects are typically treated with allografts and autografts. But these treatments have drawbacks such as high cost, limited donors, and postoperative issues. Dr. Ahmed Shah is developing biopolymer-based enzyme-mediated fast in situ injectable hydrogels laden with curcumin nanocrystals for bone tissue engineering. The hydrogel will be designed to be injected directly into the site of the damaged bone. It will help to improve the healing of damaged bones. This new technology will be able to provide efficient and cost-effective solution for treatment of bone diseases. He is being awarded 37.8 million rupees from PASIFIC Marie Skłodowska-Curie, Polish Academy of Sciences. For information and collaboration, contact org.superior.edu.pk.